Dear Pictorians, in this lesson I'll show you how to add voiceover to your video. On the left panel, click on audio. On the top menu you will see background music, voiceover, my uploads recent and volume. Here you will click on voiceover and you will see list of voiceovers, English, United States, and you'll see there are many males and female voiceover. Here English, United Kingdom, male, female. There are many, you can choose any of them. Whether you want US accent or UK accent, you can choose from here, and you will get Australian English, New Zealand English, and also South African English. So here you can filter out only male. This will show only the male voices, and you can unselect male and it will only show female voiceovers. And here you can speed up to 100% from 50%, so 50% will be slower than the original voice and 100% is the original one, and 200% will be the 2x times of the original one. Here you can also check whether you like the voice or not, such as if you play this one.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
You can also check Australian English, male. Okay, everything is female, so I'm showing it.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
So I missed the English of Indians. You will get also Indian male and female voice.
Welcome to Pictory. Did you know that video increases user engagement by 80%?
Welcome to Pictory. Did you know that video increases user engagement by 80%?
I'll show you now how can you add voiceover to your video. So here you can see apply. If you want to add this one, then you can add apply, and it has been applied to your video. Let's preview.
Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and exploring the town's many shops and restaurants.
So you can see the voiceover, the male voiceover of Liam nicely pronounced the subtitles of the video. Let's play the second one, the next one.
Ankara. Ankara is the capital of Turkey and is home to many museums and cultural sites.
So now you know how to add voiceover to your video. Let's see how to increase and decrease of voiceover. If you go to volume, then you will see background music volume and voiceover volume. So it is 50% if I increase it to 100%. So if you play this, I have increased it to from 50% to 100%.
Ankara. Ankara is the capital of Turkey and is home to many museums and cultural sites.
So if you think the voice is very high, then you can reduce it to 50%. Here I suggest when you use both the background music and voiceover, then you keep the background music lower than the voiceover volume. Otherwise, the background music can overcome the voiceover and it will not sound very well. So you can keep it such as 20% and voiceover to 50%, then you can get good quality video.
It is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and ancient castle.
Okay, so in this lesson I have shown how you can add, increase and decrease voiceover in your video. Thank you.